Hello friends, this is Mr. Allegretto, and today we are going to blend some letters to make words that have the eh sound in them. Do you know what letter says eh? Like in the word egg? Eh. Yes, that's right, E. E says eh. But before we do, let's review. What letter says j? Yes, good. J says j. Like in the word jet. And what letter says y? Yes, great. Y says y. Like in the word yes. J, y. Can you hear the difference? Okay, are you ready to blend some letters to make some words with the sound eh? Say them with me. Let's begin. Yes. Again. Yes. Blend. Yes. Yet. Yet. Blend. Yet. J. Et. J. Et. Blend. Jet. G. Et. G. Et. Blend. Get. Net. Net. Blend. Net. P. Et. P. Et. Blend. Pet. T. En. T. En. Blend. 10. En. En. Blend. Men. W. Eb. W. Eb. Blend. Web. Nice work! I really like how you were trying your best to blend these words with me. Now we are going to take these words apart. Here we go. Say yes. Sound yes. 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 Say yet. Sound yet. Y. Et. Yet. Say jet. Sound jet. J. Et. Jet. Say get. Sound get. G. Et. Get. Say net. Sound et. Net. Say pet. Sound p. Et. Pet. Say 10. Sound t. E. N. 10. Say men. Sound m. E. N. Men. Say web. Sound w. E. B. Web. Great work. Challenge yourself. Listen to the video again and on a piece of paper, See how many of these words you can spell by yourself as I sound them out, and check your spelling when I show the word. Have a great day, and remember, be the best you that you can be.